Hi, I'm Lauren Coughlin, Managing Editor of Foodservice Equipment Reports here at the NAFEM Show with Marianne from Lakeside Manufacturing. Marianne, do you want to introduce yourself?
Yes, absolutely. So I'm Marianne Schussler-Yenor, the National Sales Manager of Lakeside Manufacturing.
Okay. And Marianne, I don't know that I've ever seen an electric mobile bar quite like this. Can you tell me a little bit about this product you're showcasing?
Absolutely, absolutely. So we have had motorized units in our product line for quite some time.
Okay.
But we have revolutionized it, made it much easier to use, a smoother transmission, easier to purchase because we've been able to bring the price point down quite a bit.
Okay.
And just made it easier to replace components. One of the great things is we do have a lifetime warranty on the frame. So this thing is built to last also.
Lovely.
Now you can bring this to the party, wherever that you want to move the party.
Okay. So you mentioned parties. What are some applications where this really excels?
Oh my gosh, you could take this into anywhere that you want to bring drinks to people. So country clubs, hotels, resorts, casinos. You could travel long distances with this. This is actually designed to hold up to 750 pounds. So,
Okay.
Yeah, weddings, banquets.
Very nice. So wide range of applications.
Absolutely.
And then you mentioned the lifetime warranty. So tell me a little bit about the design and construction of this unit.
Oh my gosh. So what you're going to see here is you're going to see two 40-pound ice bins, one on each end. So it's going to be very applicable to have two bartenders working at the same time without any constraints. So they have their ice station and their workstation, ice station, workstation. So there's lots of room for both bartenders to be working at the same time. You will see it's got the full length speed rail here, and you're also going to see that it's open on the bottom. So it's going to be super easy to clean. And then also on the bottom, you're going to see that there's lots of room for storage. You're going to see the easy way to use this. Also, there's some really great features. Down here is your on-off. Here's your key.
Okay.
Some of the great features that we have here are the hot-swappable batteries. So now, the batteries that you have, super easy to remove and to change out.
Okay.
Right? The motor is actually the hub motor. It's in the casters. So you're going to see that right here. So it's very simple. And then down here on the end, is where all the controls from the motor runs through some wires up here into the controls on the end. Okay. Super easy to maneuver. So now everything from that hub motor runs up here into the brains of the piece of equipment. Now if you wanted to use it on one battery, you could. If you need to swap one out, you could. This is going to also tell you how much battery life is left. So you can view that at any time that you want to.
Okay.
On the end here, there's also a spot that's going to tell you how much battery life is left overall. So all of the controls are on the end of the piece of equipment, this portable bar. Now, if you press this, you'll be able to see how much battery that you have left here in the run time. Here's an emergency stop. So if you are having the unit come towards you and you bump into yourself, there's an emergency stop. And it won't go again until you reset it. Okay, now if you do have the emergency stop set though, now you can actually push it yourself. So you can have it be manually pushed. Kind of hard to do on this very, very thick carpet that we have here. But then you can undo it and then it's good to go again. So you have your forward, you have your reverse. It's controlled by how hard or how far you depress the roller. So you can see I'm not depressing it very hard because I'm at a show and I don't want to run into anything. But yes, you can move it both ways, forward, reverse, so you can take the party anywhere. And don't forget, any of our equipment, you could also have custom graphics, custom logos. You can choose your finishes on these as well, so you can make it your own.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very cool.
And don't forget the lifetime warranty on the frame.
Okay.
Built to last. Take the party anywhere.
Wonderful. Thank you so much,
Lakeside.
Marianne from Lakeside. I'm Lauren Coughlin with FER at the NAFEM Show.